Hi everyone. So this is Ram and this is the day 10 of making vlogs in English. Okay. So now the time is 9:30 guys and I am at my home and Lakhan has completed his study because guys till the 8:30 we are at village which is nearer to our village. It's not actually village, it's we can say a town. Okay. So we were there because we have work, we have some work, we have some tasks there. What type of task? When we are coming from the Tellara, then we realize that our gear plate of the bike has broken. So it's dropped down and we didn't able to put or down the gear shop. So we realized that then we need to bring like pushing that bike to the garage and then they have so much kinds of work there. They have to set that and they have to work on that, then cut it in a proper shape, then go to the welding. So because of that I have spent some lots of time in the Tellara today, and I just came and I am so tired, literally I am saying you, because I just need now to sleep because I had just done, I have to completed the meal and I am just now like a, when I go to my bed then just sleep. I don't have any capacity. My okay means my body is so energetic, but I know that I can push my limits anytime. But I am so that much of work have done, so my body is need a type of rest. Okay, so the theme is that I to morning at the morning I started my work which is the AI related, and then up to the 10th and 11 12th I have done my work. That's why I am today I was free, and that's why I did some rest at the afternoon. Then I went to the bank because I have to put some money in my account because I have to transfer to my uncle which is like a relative, and because then these things happen like garage we need to go to the garage and fix that work. So these things are happen, but yet I stay determined towards this challenge and make the video. Whatever things happen, just doesn't matter you are clipping for the 2-3 minutes or whatever, but I'm maintaining the consistency. That's the important point. Okay guys, so I am determined to my challenge, I am committed to my challenge what I said to you. Like I have make the challenge to make the log daily in English. Doesn't matter whatever the time will, how the video will, just speak and just upload it. That's the matter, the consistency, and this is the commitment of me and myself. And give respect to yourself guys. Like self respect is the most important thing, I think. In nowadays I realize that because now I am 20 years old and 6 months, I think 20 and a half years I am old now, and in the next 5-6 months I am gonna to turn the 21. So in these days I think this is the most productive days in my life. These are the like golden age. Our college life is also like a golden age from the 18 to 25. These are the most like energetic, most growing, most golden days which like everyone like to do whatever he wants to do and create, just build, just do, just whatever. Just don't waste. I think I don't want to waste, and nobody likes to waste the this time. Okay, so build something, keep doing hard work, and yeah, that's the way to make yourself happy. Keep busy guys, stay busy. I am literally saying you, staying busy is like a is an amazing thing. When you are busy at something, building at something, then you are like a crazy mindset. You need to be patient. If you have to like if you have to achieve something big, then you need to become a patience. You need to have patience. Okay guys, like you can compare what is the difference between employee and the businessman. Okay, and owner and employee, there is the only business you can see. Employee wants salary at every month. It's like a drug. Okay, like he'd want instant revenue of their efforts, of their work. but the owner has like a turnover which will he get by doing work throughout the year, and it will get turnover throughout the year. And look, they just the simple factor matter is like a patience, okay, because employee doesn't have patience by doing their work, believing himself, and maintaining its consistency, dedication towards its work. But the owner has the mentality, discipline, patience. Main important thing is patience. So I think this is the most common like a difference between both, between each other. So we need to be patient, be determined, and work so like a hell throughout the years. You will achieve amazing life. You will feel like a amazing thing. Okay, guys. So these are the some learning from the today's, and I think I just need I have to do something other help other work also, because I have to go to like some traveling into tomorrow morning. So let's complete this video here. We meet you all guys soon tomorrow. Okay, so keep building, keep hustling, work hard. Bye bye.